What do you do with your money every time you get paid? Do you have a routine that you go through with your paychecks each time you get paid? Let me know if you do in the comments, and even if you don't, let me know in the comments as well. We all usually have routines for everything in our life. Some of us have a morning routine, some an evening routine. Some have a gym routine, a weekend routine, whatever it may be. But most people don't have a routine for their money, what they do every single time they get paid. According to a CNBC survey, around 58% of all Americans are still living paycheck to paycheck. And that's because a lot of people just don't have a routine for their money. Managing your finances wisely is a key aspect of achieving financial freedom. Through great discipline and consistency over a long period of time, you'll be able to get out of the routine of living paycheck to paycheck by establishing and effectively managing a paycheck budget routine. In this video, I'm going to give you my paycheck budget routine that I've utilized over the years to avoid living paycheck to paycheck. Step 1. Establish a budget. The very first thing I always do before I get paid is to establish a budget. Before I even touch the money, I create a budget to establish a plan on where my income will be going. My goal with my budget is to spend and allocate my income on paper ahead of time, before I receive my paycheck. For example, whenever a building is built anywhere in the world, there's always design plans, drawings, and a summary of expenses established before the building is built. Everything is laid out on paper first, before they actually start to build, so we must think about our money the exact same way. Before the first stone is laid or before any dirt is moved, there is a plan established. You don't build buildings without having a plan first. Therefore, you should have a plan for your money before you receive it. Your budget is your blueprint. Your budget is the architectural plans that is laid out for your money before you receive it. There are several budget strategies you can leverage when establishing a paycheck budget routine. I typically prefer using a zero-based budget. A zero-based budget just means that all the income in your budget is spent or allocated to an expense, every single dollar, which leaves your income minus your expenses equal to zero. Other budgeting strategies include the 50-30-20 strategy, where you allocate 50% of your income towards needs like housing, groceries, bills, and transportation, 30% towards wants like travel, entertainment, shopping, and hobbies, and the last 20% towards savings, investments, and debt repayments. Another budgeting strategy is the 80-20 strategy, where you spend 80% of your money on your needs and wants, and 20% of your income goes directly to your savings. It does not matter what budgeting strategy you decide to go with, but the important thing is having a plan for your money before you receive it. Step 2. Pay yourself first. After establishing a budget, the first thing I do when I get paid is pay myself first by depositing a percentage of my income directly into my emergency savings account. Think of an emergency fund as a special savings account that provides a cushion for unexpected expenses. It's a safety net for when things go wrong, such as losing your job or facing unexpected bills, for example, medical bills or car maintenance expenses. Having a dedicated savings fund ensures you're financially prepared to handle these unforeseen situations without disrupting your overall financial stability. A common rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of your living expenses. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, aiming for a minimum of $9,000 in your emergency savings account provides you with a solid buffer against unexpected cash needs. This amount can cover your essential needs for 3 months, giving you breathing room during challenging times. A good practice for your emergency savings is to leverage a high-yield savings account to generate more income from your savings than a traditional savings account. These accounts offer better interest rates compared to regular savings accounts, helping your money grow more over time. While the interest rates may not be extremely high, every bit of extra earnings can contribute to the resilience of your emergency fund. Step 3. Necessities. The second important destination for your money is taking care of your necessities. These are the things that you need to live comfortably and maintain a basic standard of living. Necessities are your needs, not wants. Necessities include your housing expenses, groceries, bills, and transportation. Start by covering your essential bills. This includes your rent or mortgage, utilities like electricity and water, and any other regular bills you have. Ensuring these are paid on time keeps a roof over your head and the lights on. Another need is your groceries. Food is a fundamental necessity that we all need. Allocate a portion of your money to cover your grocery expenses. Planning your meals and grocery shopping wisely can help you stretch your budget while ensuring you have nutritious food for your health and well-being. Additionally, if you rely on transportation on a daily basis, allocate funds for fuel, public transportation, or maintenance of your vehicle. This ensures that you can get to work, run errands, and meet other essential needs without disruption. Health and other insurance coverages are also important to protect you from unexpected expenses. Allocate money for insurance premiums to maintain coverage and safeguard yourself against potential financial setbacks. Another necessity is personal care. Allocate a portion of your budget for personal care items. This includes things like toiletries and hygiene products. While it's essential to look after your well-being, being mindful of spending can help you stay within your means. Step 4. Debt repayments. The third important destination where your money should go when you get paid is debt repayments. When you get your paycheck, it's smart to use some of it to pay off debts like student loans, auto loans, and credit cards. This helps you save money in the long run and strengthens your financial situation. Paying your debts on time is important. It boosts your credit score, which is like your financial report card. A good credit score helps you to get lower interest rates on loans, like a mortgage. Lower interest rates help you save a lot of money over time. If you don't pay debts on time, your credit score will be significantly impacted. A lower credit score means you might have to pay higher interest rates, which will cost you more money in the long term. As such, paying your debts on time is a big deal. It not only helps you get rid of debts, but it also opens doors to better deals on future loans, making your financial journey smoother and more affordable. If you already have debts with high interest rates, you must prioritize paying them when you receive your paychecks. Focusing on these high-interest debts first can save you money in the long run. Now, let's talk about the 2 ways you can pay off your debts. The first way is the snowball method. The snowball method means paying off the smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate. Once that's paid off, use the money you were putting towards it to tackle the next smallest debt. This method provides a sense of accomplishment as you clear smaller debts, motivating you to continue the process. The second way is the avalanche method. The avalanche method suggests focusing on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Allocate extra funds to this debt while making minimum payments on the others. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move on to the one with the next highest interest rate. This method may save you more money in interest over time, even though it might take longer to see individual debts fully paid. Choosing between these methods depends on your personal preference and financial situation. The key is to be consistent in making payments to steadily chip away at your debts until you achieve financial freedom. Step 5. Retirement funds. Planning for retirement is a crucial step in securing your financial future. Imagine this: the only thing worse than passing away is running out of money before that happens. To avoid such a scenario, it's vital to consider retirement funds. Set aside a portion of your paychecks for your retirement. This ensures that when you decide to step back from the workforce and enjoy your golden years, you won't be left struggling financially. Retirement funds act as a safety net, providing a source of income when you're no longer working. Many employers offer retirement plans like the popular 401k plan. These plans allow you to contribute a portion of your salary to a retirement account before the money even reaches your bank account. Yes, you won't see this money in your take-home pay, but it's a strategic move for building up your savings for the future. When you contribute to a retirement plan, that money is invested and grows over time. Your employer might also contribute a matching amount, giving you more money towards your retirement. This dual contribution, along with potential investment gains, builds up a fund that you can tap into when you retire. Saving for your retirement as early as possible is a game changer for your financial future. Even if you're in your 20s, taking proactive steps now can significantly impact the wealth you amass over time. Time is a powerful ally when it comes to building wealth for retirement. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. This means that your earnings generate additional earnings over time, creating a snowball effect that can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. Consider setting aside 5 to 15% of your income for retirement savings. Many employers offer retirement plans where you can automatically contribute a percentage of your salary before it even reaches your bank account. This disciplined approach ensures that saving for retirement becomes a consistent habit. Step 6. Investing. After saving, addressing your necessities and making debt repayments, the next thing you should consider is investments. Instead of letting your money sit idle, investments have the potential to generate returns over time. This is a key strategy for building wealth and achieving financial goals. There are various investment options, each with its level of risk and potential return. Common options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes helps spread risk and optimize potential returns. Similar to retirement savings, starting to invest early is advantageous due to the power of compound growth. Your earnings can generate more earnings, creating a compounding effect that enhances the growth of your investment portfolio over the long term. The key is to understand your risk tolerance and financial goals when choosing investments. Risk tolerance is how comfortable you are with the possibility of your investments fluctuating in value. Your financial goals, whether short-term or long-term, guide your investment strategy. Consistency is key in investing. Consider making regular contributions to your investment portfolio, whether monthly or quarterly. This practice, known as dollar-cost averaging, helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, potentially reducing the impact of market volatility. Step 7. Wants. After saving, addressing your necessities, making debt repayments, and allocating a portion of your income to investments, consider setting aside the remaining portion of your income for leisure spending. We all work hard for our money, so after taking care of our obligations, it's also good to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Set aside some money for your wants. This includes things like buying clothes or shoes you like, going out with friends and family, expenses for any hobbies you may have, etc. Saving, addressing your necessities, clearing debt, and investing are all very important. But it's also good to reward yourself sometimes for your hard work. Step 8. Automate your finances. Finally, to make your paycheck budget routine more autonomous, consider setting up automated transfers to move money into your spending account, retirement account, emergency savings account, and investment accounts. This is a savvy way to effortlessly manage your money across different financial goals and plans. Automation ensures that your financial goals are consistently funded. By setting up regular transfers, you eliminate the risk of forgetting or procrastinating on moving the money into your spending, savings, and investment accounts. It even adds a layer of financial discipline. Funds are allocated according to your plan without relying on manual decisions. This helps you stick to your budget and achieve your financial objectives systematically. You can always review and adjust your automated transfers as your financial situation and goals change. Where you put your money when you get paid plays a big role in your financial journey. The key is to strike a balance that aligns with your goals, ensuring both your present and future needs are taken care of. So, make your money work for you by putting it in the right places to set the stage for your financial success. Personal finance is personal. Everybody's situation is different. This is the routine I follow every time I get paid. What you do may be slightly different, but the key is establishing a plan and sticking to it. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what routine you follow every time you get paid. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. Additionally, please share this video with someone you know who could probably use this information. Thanks for watching.